tortilla pincho, meriendas. Yesterday I had dinner at this like Spanish restaurant. Can't remember the name. I think it's called I will remember, but the thing is that I had ternera, lomo de ternera, which is kind of like it's called Tanque Mahu, that's the name of the restaurant. That's the name of the restaurant. I like ternera, basically baby cow, I guess, and it was soft and tasty. Let's keep looking at the building architecture here. Multiple bosses. Very, very nice. The government of Spain has some offices here too. Spanish flag there. La Gran Via. Very famous street. Concert or something. We're gonna go and check out the concert, guys. The streets are closed. The Catalonia flag over there, that house, that apartment. Banco de España. I think we're near the Banco de España.